in the lands of Zaron. The humans of Koopa Keep struggle to stay alive as they are attacked by the wicked drow elves of Larnia. Darkness falls as the humans beg their king to save them, a noble king known only as the Grand Wizard. For 1,000 years, the battle has been waged, with only the bravery of the Grand Wizard to protect his human followers. But even though the Wizard King is so undeniably cool, the Drow Elf armies continue their attacks. They seek the humans' most treasured relic, the Stick of Truth. But the tides of war are soon to change, as news of a new kid spreads throughout the land. In order to save the humans, the Grand Wizard must get to the new kid before the Drow Elves can manipulate his mind and use him to take the sacred relic from human hands. For whomever controls the stick controls the universe.
Well, I think that's everything.
We did it, hun. We're really moved in.
It's a new beginning for us. Things are finally going to be good.
Do you really think it will be better for him?
They won't look for him here. We just need to make sure he doesn't attract any attention. Come on, let's see how he's doing.
Sweetie? Hun, you all dressed?
Hey, champ. How do you like your new room? I know it's a big change for all of us, but, son, do you remember why we moved to this quiet little mountain town? He doesn't remember.
He doesn't remember at all.
That's good he doesn't remember.
Sweetie, we want you to have lots of fun here. Why don't you go out and make some friends?
Right, get outside and play, son. Like normal kids.
We've got some money for you on the kitchen counter, sweetie. Just be back before it gets dark.
Yeah, we love you too.
Go on outside, sweetie.
Go look around the neighborhood.
Come on, son, get out there. Make friends. It wasn't a request, it was a command. Now get out there and make some friends.
You shall die by my warhammer, Drow Elf! I banish thee to the forest realm! That way, I banish you first! Ha-ha! You can't hold out
Hey, no fair! That's cheating! I'm gonna tell my mom!
Thanks, kid. I didn't realize he had a health potion. My name is Butters the Merciful. I'm a paladin. I live right next door to you. We should be friends. Now that we're friends, you should speak with the Wizard King. He's been talking about your arrival. The wizard lives this way, in the greenhouse, over there. Hey, where are you from? Where'd you live before moving here? You like Colorado? All hail the Grand Wizard!
So, you are the new kid. Your coming was foretold by Coldwell Banker. I am the Wizard King. But the time for talk is not now. Let me show you my kingdom.
Oh, who's your new friend, Eric?
Shut up, Mom. Not now. Don't talk to her. Don't talk to her. She's not part of the game. Welcome to the kingdom of Koopa Keep. Our weapon shop here is tended by Clyde, a level 14 warrior. Here you can see our massive stables, overseen by the level 9 ranger, Scott Malkinson, who has the power of diabetes. And here, of course, is the breathtaking and lovely Princess Kenny, the fairest maiden in all the kingdom. Don't ask why Kenny wanted to be a chick, it's just how he seems to be rolling right now.
My loyalty is as incurable as my diabetes.
You may have heard of my deeds at the Battle of Stark's Pod. Behold the distant realm of downtown, home of corrupt merchant lords and homeless people. You have been sought out, new kid, because humans everywhere are in great danger. I need something from you, and in return, I am prepared to allow you into my kingdom. I know you are very excited. It's time for your first quest, but first, please tell us thy name. You entered douchebag, is that correct? Are you sure you want to keep the name? Very well, douchebag. You will now choose a class. Fighter, mage, thief, or Jew. A mage is like a wizard, only not as cool. You look sneaky enough to be a thief. Jew, huh? So I guess we'll never really be friends. A fighter has courage, honor, and the ability to kick fucking ass. We welcome to our kingdom, Douchebag the Fighter.
Hooray!
Now please, go and visit the weapon shop. Procure yourself a weapon and we shall teach you to fight. Would you like to see my wares, weary traveler? Perhaps you would like to hear tips and rumors for $2? Ah, a lovely purchase. Good, now how about you equip your weapon? Don't let it bother you that there's a game to be played. Ah, you have procured a weapon. Yes. It's now time to teach you how to fight. I want you to take your new weapon and, with the bravery of a noble knight, beat up Clyde. What? Kick Clyde's ass, new kid. What'd I do? I'm the king, Clyde, and the king wishes to be amused. Go on, new kid, kick his ass. I'm gonna kick your ass. Clyde, you have to wait your turn. That's lame. No, Clyde, it's like olden times. You have to wait your turn, like in the Middle Ages, Clyde. I know it's lame, Clyde, but that's how we're fucking doing it. All right, douchebag, bash Clyde's face in. Don't be shy. Ah! Oh, hell yeah, Clyde's your bitch. All right, Clyde's wearing armor. In order to hurt him, I want you to hit Clyde as hard as you can. Ah! Power attack, douchebag. You need to really hurt Clyde. If that was a power attack, how come Clyde isn't crying? Let's go! Oh! Super weak, dude. I don't even want to think about what I just witnessed. Let's move on. Okay, listen up. The key to surviving in battle is not to get hit in the bows. Clyde, it's your turn to attack. Douchebag, protect your bows. Prepare yourself. No, I said protect. Protect your bows. Yeah! No, that's not blocking, that's sucking. Try again. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about! Dude, you're already way better than Clyde. Alright, it's time to use your heroic powers. Using your ability takes power points, or PP for short. PP. If you have a fucking better name for them, then fucking say it, Clyde! Fucking asshole! I'm the king, and I say it's PP! Douchebag, use your fighter ability to make Clyde pay for insulting the king. Heck! Dude, that was awesome! You were all like, beam, and Clyde was all like, nah. Okay, you prove yourself worthy, douchebag. Now come inside the war tent and I shall let you see the relic. Well, here it is. The reason why humans and elves are locked in a never-ending war. The relic for which human and elf are willing to die. The Stick of Truth. Just 2 days ago, we took the stick back from the elves. Our kingdom was dying, but now it thrives. For whoever controls the stick controls the universe. Don't gaze at it too long, for its power is too much for mere mortals to look at. Now that you have seen the Stick of Truth, let's discuss your dues. Being a member of my kingdom costs $9.95 for the first week, $4 of which is tax deductible.
Alarm! Alarm! Alarm!
Someone has sounded the alarm!
Alarm! Alarm! Alarm!
What is it?
The elves are attacking!
Oh my god! Defensive positions! Douchebag, come help us! Man the gate! Don't let them through! Give us the stick, humans! Fuck you, Drow Elf! Come and get it! Clyde, guard the Stick of Truth while we defend the fortress! Aye, aye! Aye, aye! We're not playing pirates, Clyde! Douchebag, this is your chance to prove yourself. Hold off the asshole elves at all costs!
Jesus Christ!
Do it, douchebag! Kick these elves' asses! You're wounded, douchebag. Potions will heal you. Here. The rules say you can have 1 potion every turn. I asked for 5, but this was a compromise. This guy's fast, douchebag. Try to block all his attacks. Take that! Ah! Well, if this job doesn't work out, at least you've got a future as a training dummy. Come on, get it right. I said block, not get nailed by. Maybe I wasn't clear. Try again. Take this! I said block, not get nailed by. Maybe I wasn't clear. Try again. Feel my wrath! I said block, not get nailed by. Maybe I wasn't clear. Try. Okay, if you block all the attacks, you get a counterattack. Look at your enemy on the ground. Weak and helpless. Kick the shit out of him. Awesome, you kicked his helpless ass. Now finish off these elves in the name of the Wizard King. Ah! Great job, douchebag!
Help! Ah!
Butters! Butters, you're losing! Stop losing!
But I don't want to make him feel bad! Ow!
You got this, douchebag!
Eat shit!
What are you waiting for, douchebag? That guy's just standing there. Go kick his ass! Oh man, he was totally waiting for you, dude. You can't just hit him like that. You need to try a different tactic to damage him. Look at that archer hiding behind his friend like a wood. Switch to your arrows, douchebag. Snipe that little bitch. Sweet, now you can hit the guy in the back. Go for the pink mist. Douchebag, use your arrows. Take out the archer. Do what I say or you can't play anymore. I'm out. Yeah, bitch, that's what you get for fucking with the Wizard King. Careful, douchebag. That guy's ready for your arrows now. You gotta try something else. Great job, douchebag!
Why?
Kick
What
their
was that
asses,
for?
you kid! I got your back!
Ah!
Let's do this, douchebag. Okay, that guy has a shield. Shields are super weak. Just hit them with your simplest hit over and over to wear them down quickly. Hell yeah, that's how you do it. The other elf let his guard down. Now's your chance. Power attack his armor. Win it. If you don't hit this bitch as hard as you can, her armor's gonna soak up all the damage. If that was a power attack, it was the weakest power attack in the history of power attacks. Drow elves, fall back! Fall back, I say! Yes! Awesome, dude! Take that, you asshole elves! Better luck next time! Na 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 na! We still control the universe! Ha 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 ha! It's God. What? The stick of truth. The elves got it. That was your one goddamn job, Clyde! To guard the stick of fucking truth! Clyde, you are hereby banished from space and time! What? No! You can't do that! Yeah, I can! You're banished and lost in time and space!
Yeah, go home, Clyde.
You fought bravely on the battlefield, douchebag.
Yeah, if you can make me a douchebag, like you sure can fight.
Shut up, Scott. Nobody cares what you think. Anyways, we have a bigger problem now. The Stick of Truth has been stolen, and we must assemble our entire army in order to get it back.
But our 3 best warriors still haven't reported for duty, my king.
Our newest member can take care of that. Douchebag, I want you to go out into the neighborhood and find my greatest warriors, Token, Tweak, and Craig. I'm texting their pictures to your personal inventory device now. But beware, the lands outside are full of marauding drow elves, monsters, and 6th graders. Be sure you're well equipped. Now go, and send my warriors here. Butters, go with him.
Guess I'm minding the shop now. You need any weapons or armor? Here's what we're selling today. Deal! Good choice. All yours. What, you want me to fight with you? Okay, this paladin is ready to kick some ass. Yeah, fuck his shit up. This is where the magic happens. Last week, Cartman's mom was here with a few men having a whole lot of magic. She was doing hand magic and butt magic. This is where Cartman does magic. Smells like the wizard is brewing some potion in here. Some wizard stew. Oh, looks like he forgot to flush the stew. If it splashes, it means you get a free wish. We aren't allowed to go into the street. It's such an open world, our parents don't want us getting hurt. But those are holy icons from the Orient. Legend has it that he who can collect enough will be rewarded.
The Wizard King says I'm too ginger to be one of the humans, but Paladin Butters lets me be his squire on the sly.
Paladins seek justice for all races.
These lands hold many dangers, new kid.
Yeah, you moved to the wrong realm.
Nice hair, douchebag.
Feel my wrath. Eat shit. You're hurt. This looks like a job for Paladin Butters. Yeah, that's it, little buddy. I'm beat. I better wait a turn before I do any more healing. Feel my righteous fury! Hey, look, you're bleeding! It looks bad. Here, take some of this magic cure potion. Make sure you always carry a few potions. Just don't get grounded for raiding the apothecary's pantry like I did. I needed that.
Stop dicking around.
I don't think so. Suck it. To battle! That wasn't very nice. I hope we didn't hurt you too bad.
Sorry, but we can't be friends until you have more friends. I'm actually faster at
Sure
Facebook
is a lot of
messaging than
walking.
I am at speaking. Here, this'll just go a lot faster if I friend you.
Ah!
How did your ass learn such incredible magic so easily?
Oh my god!
You looking for Craig? Well, he can't play. He's in detention. Something about flipping off the principal.
We better get to the other guys first. Well, hey, Officer Butt Baby.
That's Butt Brady. Wait. Goddamn kids. Oh!
This here is the marketplace. This is where he... Generally want to stay out of there if you're a fetus, yeah. Cartman gave me a swirly in that public bathroom over there one time. Playing pirate is better than being a pirate. Who wants to live in stinky old Somalia?
Avast
anyway?
there, matey. None shall pass.
Some kids gave me the worst pink belly over there one time.
This movie's really sweet. Too bad you guys can't see it.
Hey, over here.
Welcome to Tweak Coffee. Coffee made with ingredients supplied by local organic suppliers. It's local coffee, brewed locally.
Tweak? Tweak! Have you picked up the fresh local ingredients?
Not yet, Dad. I'm still trying to do all my chores.
Well, hurry up, son. The family business is relying on you.
What's this? Now? The guys need me now? Well, there's no way, man. There's way too much to do. How am I supposed to do all this? Wait, you! Could you go get the 4 o'clock delivery for me? If you do, I can finish here and then I'll still have time to play. Please, would you? It's at Kenny's house, like always. You give them this, they'll give you the delivery. How am I supposed to do all of this? There's no way, man. Starbucks has like 8 employees. Here it's just me. More coffee! Need more coffee!
Horning in on my action?
Jesus Christ! Feel my righteous fury! Blech. I hope they're just sleeping. Long way from home,
Hey.
human.
Over here. Don't worry, I'm not here to hurt you. It's me, Al Gore. You know, Al Gore. I'm super important. All right, look. I've detected some very strange activity in this area. I believe we are dealing with Man-Bear Pig. Yes, the Man-Bear Pig. I know you're scared, but I need help. Take these and place them in the location specified on the Man-Bear map, Pig. And now I'm going to make you my friend on Facebook. This is very prestigious. You have my email now, but don't give it out to anybody. I'm super serial. Hurry! We must know if Man-Bear Pig is here or not.
The stick
Hey,
is
you can't go to see a
ours!
movie? Oh, that's right, you can't, because it's rated R and it's too mature for you.
What? Oh, this isn't for me. This is for the nice people who are renting the guest house out in the back.
Yeah, we got the package for Tweet Coffee. You got the envelope?
These witch doctors must be cooking up a secret potion. I wonder if it's a healing potion.
Hey, that's not the usual kid that picks up the package.
Huh? Oh, shit. It's a Kip!
The hammer of justice shall strike the nail of evil into the bone of being sorry.
Police brutality!
Feel my righteous fury! You're straight tripping, son. What was that for? Ow! These guys might be Santas.
There's a rumor the girls have a secret base, but I've never seen it.
You did it! You got the pickup! Oh, thanks, man. Dad, I finished my work. Can I go play?
Where's today's delivery?
Right here!
Yep, that's good shit. All right, Tweak, you can play for a little bit. But be home before dark or you'll be grounded. Grounded, like the fresh grinds of our all-organic Tweak blend, made with ingredients from local tweakers.
Thanks, kid. I gotta go get changed, and then I'll meet you at the kingdom.